Today we're unpacking engine hoist, engine crane. Only a cheap jobby from Range, of all places. £173 posted, and 2 ton, which is a bargain. So let's see what it's like. Initial packaging seems really good. Already opened one of them, so you got these bags, boxes inside the bags. All fairly solid. So good. So far, so good. Alright, so what we got here is I don't even know how to pronounce it or spell it or whatever. But yeah, engine crane made in China. Key, I guess it's called. And what we got is decent looking kit. Instructions, well, seen better, seen worse, but it's good. Ram looks pretty good. 8-ton long ram jack. It's not too bad. Obviously, yeah, this is a 2-ton kit. Alright, let's put it together and see what it's like, but so far so good. Alright, after first familiarization, I've come to conclusion it's gonna be rather interesting, because all this is sort of not very good. But as far as I get, these are for your little wheels, caster wheels. And all the bigger ones will be to put all the hardware together. So I'll just go with that and then see if we can get it right first time. If not, well, guys, see me try. Alright, I've gathered the tools. I need 23 socket, grab the universal wrench, screwdriver, 14 spanner, and this thing. But looks like we're actually missing a bit. We're missing 2 of these things, so I guess there's gonna be no building today. Oh well.
1 week later.
Alright guys, about a week later we got our missing bits. Thank you to Range customer support for sorting that one out nice and quick. Got my tools ready. Got the bolts hauled out and everything. So we're going to start with the caster wheels. Got 2 types of bolts here, more bolts and screws. Obviously these ones are probably going to go here. So there's countersunk holes there. And the other ones we're going to use on the other side of legs. Oh, let's go. Alright, so I actually had a quick look, and I think the best way of doing this is making the base stable. So I've put these pins in here, like that, to support it, and next we're going to put these on. Hand tighten them, lean them over, and then I put the main beam on. So that's on. I had to tip it on the side to get the bottom bolts on. Now what we're gonna do is gonna put these on and yeah, see how that goes. Another thing you have to bear in mind, bolts are on different shapes and sizes. So we used the two bigger ones there, two different size ones there. There's 3 more left of those. This is a longer one, so I'm assuming it goes there. And 2 smaller ones. We'll see where those go later. And yeah, well, let's go. Alright, those are on, nice and snug. So now we're going to tighten these up, because obviously you can tighten them earlier because it's easier for these to get in this place. And now move this one in. Obviously it goes that way. Even take it out, we'll see how it goes. And obviously that side goes first. I'm going to chuck it over my shoulder. I'll make it easier and put it on there. Alright, let's go. On there. Well, that's an interesting solution, because I mean, if you tighten too much, it won't move. So I would have thought it will be some sort of like swivel piece, something. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking this wrong. So, all right, now put the ram on, and that should be it for now. And then, yeah. So that's all complete. Might have run into small pickle on this one, because this is the only bolt that's left and it's too big. I mean, oh, I'll go anyway. There's a small thing with this. These two, as you can see, they're just on a bolt. That's an interesting design, but hey. I might see if one of these bolts can be switched out to go there. Otherwise, I might have put something wrong somewhere. Essentially, I might swap that one for this, or probably that one. We'll see. We'll see. All right, let's carry on and see where we get. Alright, here it is. Bit of confusion with bolts, but other than that, I mean, it's a 2-ton kit. Seems decent quality. Can't really knock it. I mean, assembly would have been easier if there would be actual proper manual for it. You only get this thing, and quality of that is like, wow, you're just guessing what's what anyways. So, alright, cheers for watching, guys. And yeah, if you're looking for a cheap engine hoist, in my opinion, it's a good option. Go for it. Alright, cheers for watching. Subscribe for more and all the builds, and see you guys later. Cheers.